Hey, what is up guys? WRG here with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you a cool little set that I recently got. This is probably one of your essentials for any type of gunsmithing work or just basic disassembly and assembly if you don't want to ruin or scuff up your guns. So this is how it comes, very compact. Open it up and you can see here I have a 9-piece roll pin punch set. So pretty cool, has all kinds of sizes you guys can see here. I'll give you guys a little close-up so you can see exactly what sizes comes with the set. I'll leave a link down below. The company is called TWOD, TWOD. So they were cool enough to send this to me, and I'll show you pretty much what you can do with it. So basically just regular takedown of your firearm. If you wanted to use it for that, you certainly could do so. This is how the pieces come, if you guys want to check it out. So it does have like a hemispherical tip on the end, which is very cool for not scuffing up your guns, of course. It has really good knurling, so you get a good grip, hardened steel. So pretty good material. And again, if you just wanted to use it as such, it just makes life a lot easier. Honestly, like even working on my AK, and so you guys can see, just for like basic things. Also, like for example, moving your extractor from your bolt, you know, you might obviously want to use a smaller piece, but it just makes life easier. So prior to having a set like this, what I used to do is maybe use an Allen wrench. And obviously I would get scratches on my gun. So if you care about scratches, it's not a good idea. Eventually I evolved to using like cloth in between my tools to try to prevent scratches. But honestly, that just makes life complicated. This set I believe costs like $12.99 on Amazon. And you know, using the proper tools instead of trying to be innovative all the time, you know, just makes life a lot easier. So pretty cool set, very good material, feels very tough and hard. And what's important is that this tip at the end also feels very durable. It's almost like a very hard rubberized material, it feels like. And then I got good knurling on the back. You could definitely use like a hammer to punch something through. And this is not just for firearms, obviously. A punch set could be used for many different things, from like watches, working on your car. So many different options for these. So pretty cool. I think an essential to have for the garage. And you know, something I'm definitely going to be using for working on my guns, especially if you're going to be doing anything complicated like taking off your gas block or anything like that. You definitely want to have something like this. So that's pretty much it, guys. I'll leave links down below so you guys can check it out. If you have any questions, let me know. Please like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Check out my B channel, Mindset and Tactics, and check me out on Patreon. So thanks for watching again. See you guys next time. Appreciate the support. WRG out.